Babies, my lovebirds, Valentine's Day is around the corner, and I'm not waiting until Valentine's Day to show my husband and my loved ones how much I love them. So today we're going to be making some chocolate chip muffins, and I'm going to be making these for my husband specifically because every single day when he goes out on his truck route, he picks up two, sometimes three Wawa muffins. He is a chocolate fan. He loves like any chocolate cake and he eats them, every day. Like if he buys three, he'll eat one a day, but he's always loaded up with his muffins. So I wanted to make this recipe just for him. And I found this recipe on TikTok. So I decided to follow it, but add my own twist. So we're going to be adding half a cup of milk to 1/2 a cup of flour, 1/2 a cup of sugar, and then I'm adding 1/4 cup of sour cream. So I'm just going to beat that all together and let it, become like one, just like marriage. Anyways, after I mix everything up, I wanted to sift out my cocoa powder because if you can tell, cocoa powder, it hardens up a little bit. So you want to make sure that you strain it so that you can get like a nice smooth texture. So now my cocoa powder is perfectly smooth, no lumps, and we're able to make a perfect cake batter or a muffin batter in this case. Now I'm adding the rest of my milk. I like to add my milk in increments because it helps with the powder residue everywhere. So if you add a little bit, like as you can see, it's still pushing out. I did buy me a new paddle because this one is too strong. And then my other one is all chipped up. So I did order a new paddle because this one is like, it creates too much mess. So it's good to like add liquid as you go so that you don't get too much powder everywhere and, you have to clean up more. Anyways, I wanted to show you these eggs real quick. This egg specifically is from my husband's friend's farm. He has like chickens in their house and they always send us fresh eggs from their farm. And I appreciate it so much. And they come in these beautiful colors. They have blue, green, orangey, brown. So the eggs are so beautiful. Anyways, to the batter we adding what else we just added? I gotta go back. Okay, so we're just gonna add that one egg. And then if you notice, I put 1 tablespoon of coffee. I use Bustelo Café. And like 1/4 a teaspoon of salt. And then we added the chocolate chips. So once the batter is done, you're gonna let it rest for a few minutes. And now we're gonna do this like hack that I saw to make your own cupcake muffin liners. And I'm just going to say that I'm not going to use this ever again. I already have some muffin liners in my Amazon cart. And I also got like a new baking pan because this cupcake pan is not for my YouTube videos. It's more like for home use. And I just hate how it looks on camera. So I'm definitely going to get one for you guys to make it like a little bit more aesthetically pleasing. I know that's not what my channel is all about, but I just really hate this one. It's too damn big. The recipe I'm making today only makes about 6 to 8 cupcakes, 6 to 8 muffins, and this has 24. So I just hate having like this humongous container. Like I need something that I can, kind of do quicker recipes, and this is too big for what I need it for, if that makes sense. So anyways, you're going to be cutting these parchment papers into squares. This works, but I recommend that you buy some muffin liners. Yes. That you buy some muffin liners. They're like $7.99 on Amazon. I could put up the ones that I just ordered because this is too much. So I tried this one hack that says to cut up the square of parchment paper and do like some random lines. I did it wrong. Obviously, it did not work. It looked really wild. So I just stopped immediately and I moved on to the next hack that I saw. So the next hack requires you to use the square parchment paper that you just cut up, and you're going to be using a cup to like mold it into the pan. But it didn't work for me. I noticed that someone did say that you can grease the pan, but honestly I didn't feel like doing all that, so I just did what I could, just for the sake of this video. But the next time we make muffins, I'm going to make a new video for you guys. And we're going to have the muffin pans so that it doesn't be, like, it's too much mess. Like, I don't like working like this. I like for things to be, like, neat and clean. And this was too much mess. It was under my nails. I had to keep wiping my shirt. It was just a lot. So the next time we make muffins, we are going to have some nice cupcake liners. And we won't have to, like, go through this messy situation. So I don't recommend any of these hacks. I recommend for you to go on Amazon and buy some muffin liners for like $8 and call it a day. But this works. Like, if you really want to make it right away and you have the parchment paper, you can do it. But I don't know. It was messy.
So this is the final result.
Just be aware of that.
They are absolutely adorable. I'm going to say that these are the best chocolate muffins that I've ever had. And that's the truth, because they are so good. Absolutely amazing. I want to let you know, give it a try. Let me know in the comments if you like this recipe, and make sure that you come back for more. I hope that you are able to subscribe to my channel. I do want to grow my channel, and I want to post more often. I have so much stuff on my phone to show you guys, but these muffins are amazing. So go ahead and give it a try. My husband absolutely loved them, and he's the reason why I made these muffins. I wanted to show him some love. Valentine's Day is around the corner, and so that's my way of showing love. See you guys next time.
As you can see, I took them out of the oven and I added some chocolate chips on top while they was halfway cooked. And you can see that the chocolate chips are still on top. They did not sink. They look so good. These were really, really juicy. And my nails are nasty because the chocolate, it was so messy. But it was worth it. I think my husband is going to absolutely love these. I know that he's going to be, like, in awe of these because they came out so good. I don't really make muffins, but from now on, I'm going to try to make them at least a batch of muffins every week or every 2 weeks, and maybe try different chocolate recipes. For the most part, they're always going to be chocolate or chocolate based. And here's a picture of me and my husband. I know I don't really show my face on here. One day I will, but for now, I hope you guys are enjoying my voiceovers. We love you guys. Bye-bye.